Today I'm going to go over how we use the 3D Experience add-in to extend our searching capabilities. So we're going to go into our add-in that we have right here, use the drop-down and use our advanced search tool. I don't know the title, I just know that it was something that was created today, and I know that I created it, so I'm just going to look for my name. And since I have a user, it should pop up, and so that'll be using the who and the when tags, and it should pop up all my possibilities. And you see, these are the things that pop up that I created today. So I can take one of these, drag it into my SOLIDWORKS, and now I have a file without ever knowing or searching for the exact file name.